all of you. My name is Chahat and today's topic is will AI replace humans? As we all know, the today world is driven by technology. We are consumed with technology and AI it's a part of technology. AI is artificial intelligence and it has many much more significance in our life nowadays. We use AI to solve our problems, our assignments, and we use it in many more ways. Everyone uses it at certain point in their life. AI, AI tools that are mostly commonly used are ChatGPT, Copilot, etc. Students use it, teachers use it, workers use it. Students use it to do their assignment work, to help them in their exams. Teachers use it for this research purposes. Workers also use it in their workplaces. So the main concern is that AI is we have started to depend upon AI very excessively. We use it at every step of our life. We have started to depend upon it completely. So the concern is raised that will AI replace humans? Now it is a topic of concern. Many people are in favor of this, but many people oppose this. So to come to a conclusion, we have to hear the thoughts of my peers about this. So Harman, what are your thoughts about this topic?
I think it is not possible for AI to ever replace human because it is humans who are creating AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and etc. But it's right to say that use of AI will increase day by day, and we are all responsible for this. As we know, most of people use AI for your work like manage work, office works, schedule for meetings, and etc. Student uses for making notes and solve problems. And we all know AI can operate only with given data. It depends only data given to them. But human use his power, skills, and brain power, and creative minds and techniques. And biggest difference in human and artificial intelligence is that humans can feel emotions, but AI cannot. So in my point of view, AI will not replace humans. Suman, what's your thoughts about it?
According to me, AI replaces human. I want to share some points on this. My first point is that AI is used for the betterment of humankind. It can also be the reason of degradation of human beings. Why? Because nowadays automated machines and weapons are being invented, which causes a mass destruction when goes to a wrong hand. And my second point is that coming machines with the AI, it means we give more control to the machines, more control to the weapons, and it increases the unemployment. For example, self-driving car is reducing the minutes of driver. AI software process and organize data automatically. AI tools scan X-rays, MRI more accurately and more faster than humans. Thank you.
According to me, AI will be not completely replace humans because it lacks emotions, creativity, and independent thinking. Humans are needed for decision making, judgment, and understanding complex situations. However, AI can replace some human tasks because it is a faster, more accurate, and do work continuously without rest. But compared to humans, humans are emotions. There are many examples in our daily routine. For example, in hospitals, AI can help doctors by analyzing medical reports and detect the diseases quickly. But doctors are still needed to treat patients, provide care, and make final decisions. There are second example is in banks. AI provided machines can count money and detect found quickly, but humans employees are still needed to handle customer and make important decisions. What do you think about of Sindar?
Life without AI would be a return to a slower, more manual and less personalized world as it affects our daily activities and economic system. While not impossible as life without AI, that human tried for several years without AI, but
it could be sudden change of it, could be a sudden step backward in efficiency. For example, it affects our daily activities such as our smartphone could not unlock via facial recognition, and voice assistants such as Alexa would cease to function. Secondly, social media platforms like Netflix or Spotify would no longer recommend content tailored to our taste, as it replaced relevance with content medical research would also no longer loss of e-tool for analyzing molecular data. Potentially it would lead to decrease in new treatments. Life without AI would be a return to a slower, but it could be stepping backward in time. Convenience would vanish and need more human efforts and patience. Thank you.
AI is unlikely to fully replace humans, but will significantly augment roles of automatic routine tasks, making humans the loop collaboration essential. While AI excels in speed and data analysis, it lacks humans' creativity, emotions, intelligence. The future favor works along AI and use AI. In my point of view, AI will replace humans.
So well, after hearing the thoughts of my peers, we can come to a simple conclusion. We all know AI has its own perks, that AI is used for automated cars. It is very helpful. It is proven to be reliable for us. And we also see that AI is used in hospitals, and AI also provides us many other tools to use it for our daily works. But it cannot be ignored that AI doesn't have human emotions. It doesn't work upon its own. At the end of the day, AI is created by humans. So it is totally impossible for AI to completely replace humans, as AI needs humans to operate, to work. They need it function themselves. They do not function themselves, they need humans. So it is clear to say that AI will not replace humans. Thank you.